This is our Volferta D1 model house, which is currently the largest house type with a total area of 103.4 square meters. The D1 model is a two-story house. The first floor is 11.5 meters long, 4.5 meters wide, to 0.45 meters high, and has a construction area of 51.7 square meters. The default configuration of the first floor is one room and one bathroom. The rest of the space can be used as a living room. The space is large enough and can be laid out according to your preferences. The first floor can be accessed through the indoor spiral staircase to the second floor. The area of the second floor is the same as the first floor. In addition to a bathroom, it is equipped with more rooms for living. In addition, there is an open-air balcony of more than 20 square meters on the second floor, which is suitable for gatherings and leisure. The D1 house type adopts a double-story design and has a large area. It has various functions and can be used for living, office, exhibition hall, etc. In order to facilitate installation and transportation, the D1 house type is spliced with 4 separate cabins. Each cabin can directly put in for OHQ, greatly reducing the cost of shipping. After receiving the 4 cabins, you can refer to the video installation tutorial and drawings we provide to complete the overall assembly.